Hello Yates County and beyond, and welcome to the first installment of Invasive Species Friday. Through this short weekly podcast, we at the Yates CCE hope to bring you information about the invasive species you may see around this county. Invasive species are non-native animals or plants that have a negative impact on the environment, the economy, or human health. The more eyes we can get looking for invasives in the area, the better chance we have to treat, contain, or eradicate them before they cause significant and lasting damage to our environment. If you spot an invasive species mentioned in these podcasts, go to nyimapinvasives.org to report the sighting. Citizen scientists like you can make the difference in tracking the spread. So let's get started with our first invasive, the yellow flag iris. You may have seen the pale to vibrant yellow blooms of this perennial around recently as they flower from April to June. Originally from the temperate regions of Europe, Asia, and northern Africa, the yellow flag iris was deliberately introduced as a horticultural plant and for the purpose of erosion control. These garden escapees can be found along the water's edge and have stiff, sword-shaped green leaves. Yellow irises often grow in large groups with dense, mat-like root systems and push out native species. This plant has low nutritional value for wildlife compared to the plants it displaces and is poisonous to livestock and other animals. If you try to tackle the removal of the plant yourself, remember to wear gloves. The resin can cause skin irritation. Smaller infestations can be removed by digging out the plant's roots. Note, don't try to compost this one. The plant can regrow from just the roots, which can remain viable for 3 months without water. You don't want to accidentally spread this while you're trying to get rid of it. Larger infestations are much harder to control and often need multiple herbicide treatments. An alternative to the yellow flag iris in your garden is the native blue flag iris. This perennial blooms blue-violet flowers, like sun or partial shade, and is great for attracting pollinators. Another option is the Japanese iris, which is non-native but not invasive, and also great for pollinators. There are many other non-invasive species of iris as well, so do some research and find what shapes, colors, and sizes work for your space. And with that, we bring to a close the first episode of Invasive Species Friday. To learn more about yellow irises and other invasive species, visit the New York Invasive Species Information Clearinghouse at nyis.info or our friends at the Finger Lakes Division of PRISM at fingerlakesinvasives.org. Tune in next week to learn about a curly invasive causing trouble in the waterways. Until then, we thank you for your support in our fight against invasive species in Yates County.